Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Shrishti and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. As you guys can read by the title, today I will be doing a product review or my first impression on the products of Good Vibes. So let's get started with today's video. So starting off with the toners, if you guys are following me or my sister on Instagram, so you would know that my sister is a hoarder for toners. So we have ordered these toners, these two. One is this Argan Hydrating Face Toner and another one is Green Tea Glow Toner. This is a very famous product. As liked by many, these are very nice toners and they provide absolute glow to your face. But personally I felt like these are very scented and इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा perfumes पा रखे हैं, which is not at all good for your skin. People with sensitive skin might have to think twice before buying them. But as far as my skin, I am a dry skin type, so I really like this one, Argan Hydrating Face Toner. It really provides the hydrating portion to my face, so I really recommend this one. So if you have no issues with the fragrance or putting anything like that on your face, you can definitely buy this. And talking about this green tea toner, people with oily skin or acne prone skin can definitely try this one. And it comes in a quite nice quantity and it definitely worth the price. It comes for 175 rupees. But आपको ये हमेशा offer. So moving on to the next toners, we have these Rose Glow toners. So these came free with the creams which we've ordered. I will show them to you in a minute. And these are really nice glow toners and they smell amazing. Me and my sister is obsessed with roses and the fragrance of roses. And this smells heavenly, guys. मुझे भी मन कर गया लगाने का. And this is a really nice and refreshing toner. If you're looking for something refreshing and hydrating at the same time, you should definitely give this a try. Oopsies. Perfect for summers and just perfect. Super glad that it came free because we got to try them. Moving on to something which I don't like. This is a really no-no product for me. This is their activated charcoal face wash. It came as a sample to me. There were 3 of these. So I tried it for 2-3 times. I really didn't like this product because the main and the key ingredient is activated charcoal. And charcoal का काम होता है अच्छे से cleansing करना. And this face wash is super gentle and it didn't cleanse my face at all. And if you're buying something like this which has activated charcoal, you think that it will form up really nicely and cleanse your face to the fullest, and it is. It just didn't work. I was planning to buy this product like in a regular package, but I'm glad that I didn't because it is a no-no product for me and I don't suggest you guys to buy it because if you're looking for a gentle face wash, you don't need activated charcoal in it. So moving on to my favorite thing which I've got is this multivitamin skin enhancement face cream. This is a really nice cream and totally worth buying it, and it is super affordable. It was for 225 rupees and it is so nice and I really like it, and the fragrance is really gentle and mild, which is quite summerish to me, and I really feel fresh and moisturized after applying this because my skin is super dry and I don't want something which is oily on my face and too thick. But the consistency of this cream is really nice and super light, which I really like, and it just absorbs in skin super smoothly and super quick. So this is, and it smells so good, and yeah, this is worth the try, and I will definitely recommend this to you guys. So the next cream which we've ordered is this cream, which is the coconut brightening face cream. These two were the creams जिनके साथ हमें rose toners free आए थे. So talking about this coconut cream, I didn't like the smell at all. It's just like, in general, I don't like coconut smell too much. But yeah, it is really nice, but I personally don't feel like applying such coconut cream or on my face. I've applied it on my hands, on my arms, so it is a nice, pretty much same consistency as the multivitamin cream, but it is quite thick, I think, and after applying this, I think my hands feel little sticky and sweaty. It's totally up to you guys and your preference and liking. So if you guys really like the smell of the coconut and you prefer something more thicker, you should definitely give it a try. and this was also for rupees 225. I really like the body and the packaging of the products because they are nice and chic, which I really like, and I love the glass coating over this. So yeah, they really look amazing and expensive. These two serums from the Good Vibes for this video. One is this tea tree and papaya oil control serum, and the other is this rosehip radiant glow face serum. This is a really nice serum. You must have seen me trying this serum in other videos as well because we are using this consistently, and हमने गुड वाइब्स के ऑलमोस्ट सारे तरह के सीरम्स यूज किए हुए हैं. The next serum, which is this tea tree and the papaya oil control serum, really nice and fully packed. So the first thing about this serum is, as it says, it is oil controlling serum. So if you are dry skin, I don't prefer you guys to use it. If you are a combination skin or oily skin, this is the perfect product for you because it is specially meant for controlling your oils. And in a weather like this, we all are sweating like hell, and oily and combination skin faces a lot of issues in controlling their oils from the T-zone area. So this product is for you guys. You should definitely give it a try. So I got it free with some other products, but this is quite inexpensive. This was also for rupees 225. Yeah. So this is a really nice product and inexpensive at the same time. So the last and my most favorite product is this keratin hair mask. This is my absolute favorite product from the Good Vibes. It retails for 315 rupees, which is quite nice for such amount. And I had a keratin treatment long time ago, but वो अब गायब हो चुका है बिल्कुल. So I really wanted something जो मेरे बालों को nourish करे, and this is the product which is quite amazing and is doing the task perfectly. My hair felt really nice after applying this mask. I have applied it for 2 or 3 times and मैंने इसको दोनों तरह से यूज किया हुआ है, लाइक ऑयल लगाने के बाद भी एंड बिना ऑयल के भी. एंड इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु डजंट वांट टू अप्लाई ऑयल एंड स्टिल वांट्स नरिशमेंट एंड मॉइस्चर, so I think you should invest in some masks like so. That completes my first impressions on these products. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations or something related to videos, please do tell me in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye.